Okay, how to blow smoke out of your mouth. Um, this is how it's gonna look. That was a burp. I'm sorry. Alright, let's try it from a different angle. Alright, from another angle. Alright, first step. There's 4 steps. First step. First step, hold your breath in a bubble. Don't let no air come in. Don't inhale or exhale at all. Do this 15 to 20 times. Then push all the air that you have in your mouth like that. Push back for like 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and release softly. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned. Show your friends. Subscribe.